We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to be looking at a Canon MF6590 printer. The problem we're having is the customers complaining when they're using the top document feeder. They're getting lines and smudges on their copies and scans. So that's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So if we lift up the top of the scanner here, you'll see that it's actually two separate pieces of glass. There's the large flatbed scanner, and there's a small piece of glass on the left side of the printer, and that's where all the scanning happens when you're using the top document feeder. So that's where we're going to want to focus most of our cleaning today. In order to clean the scanner glass, you're going to want your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner, you can use rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. And then you're going to want a lint-free cloth. And the biggest tip I can give you is please always apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth. Never apply the glass cleaner directly to the glass. When you do that, you run a high risk of the glass cleaner actually seeping underneath the glass, and then you're causing a lot more trouble than you started with. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth and not the glass. Now that we have our cleaner on our cloth, we're going to come over, and like I said, because most of our problems happen when we're using the top document feeder, we're going to want to focus on the small piece of glass on the left side of the printer, because that's where it does all of its scanning. So we're just going to want to clean it the best we can. You're looking for any kind of dirt, smudges, ink, whiteout, tape, things like that. Any of that you want to get off of here. And sometimes for things like ink or whiteout, you have to go over a couple times to get it all off. So just go over until you're happy with the way it looks. That looks pretty good now. And then while we're here, we're just going to go ahead and wipe off the flatbed scanner. Just because they're highly prone to dust and fingerprints and smudges. So since we're here, we might as well just wipe it off real quick and prevent any future problems from happening. Alright, again, always look over, make sure you don't see anything visibly on the glass. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, I'd close the top of the scanner. And then I'd run a couple extra test copies or scans through the printer, just making sure that all those lines, smudges, little defects go away. If you still have any of them remaining, hopefully they're just faint. If you have faint little lines or little smudges, there's still something on that glass that's just hard to see. Just go over it one or two more times, that should take care of it. Other than that, it'll be back up and printing.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.